This is the Outdoor Revolution Camp Star Side Porch. Fantastic addition to the Camp Star range. It fits perfectly on the Camp Star 500 XL, 600 and 700 models, but because of the versatility and the kind of flexibility with the connection, it will actually fit on any tunnel tent of this sort of size. You can see the flaps here are elasticated. They just sit around the tubes and peg down on the other side. It gives you some really nice amount of extra usable space for storage, of course, but also for things like a bedroom inner tent. Uniquely, it has clips here for our universal 2-berth inner, so of course it can be used for a completely separated sleeping area. It does actually come with a ground sheet to peg down onto the floor as well, and as you can see here, you can have the front door lifted up with canopy poles to create a nice sun canopy too. So yeah, a fantastic addition to any 6 or 5 XL berth family tent.